There are lots of regional and other national conferences, but CWLA really has such a broad and diverse membership and interests that it's just an unusual opportunity.
I think one of the reasons that makes it really important to come this year is there's so many things politically that are on the cusp. And meeting with our legislators and doing it en masse, I think, will be important as we let them know that children and families continue to be important and need to be supported.
It's the only gathering that I know of that is made up of public and private child welfare professionals. I would spend the money and I would make the investment in time to go to the CWLA National. My favorite thing is just the positive energy that's in the place. It just radiates from everyone there, and you just have a feeling of camaraderie that everybody is there for the same purpose.
It's a field with people all over the place, disparate interests, disparate work, and yet we intersect on so many important items. And the CWLA conference is one of the rare opportunities for all of us to see each other, to talk to each other, to learn from each other.
This will be probably the 4th or 5th year that I have gone to the conference, and I make a commitment and allocate funding in my budget to do it because I think it's really great for folks to be able to get out of their office, to get out of their city and out of their state, to be able to learn about what's happening, and then also to be able to connect and network with other providers in the field of child welfare. Going to the National for me is the time that I get to sort of plug in and recharge. So in going and being exposed to thought leaders on the public and the private side, and being able to get a glimpse into what people are thinking and what's new, you can come away from that and take that new information back to your state and back to your agency.